Hello, so this is a video to go with card S26. It's all about enlarging shapes and how we recognise when a shape's been enlarged and how we describe what's happened to it. So, if we take a look at the shapes from our card, we've got a smaller triangle, we've got a larger triangle. We're going from shape A to shape B, like it says on your card. And hopefully it's really obvious that shape A has got bigger, first of all. As soon as we see a change of size, we write our first key piece of information, and that is that this is an enlargement. It's got bigger, it's been made larger, it's an enlargement. And we get 1 mark just for writing that word down. Now there's 3 marks available for this question. 1 of them for saying the word enlargement, 1 of them for telling me the scale factor of the enlargement, and a 3rd mark for telling me the centre of enlargement. Now, the scale factor is usually the easier one to recognise. So if I look at shape A and shape B, I need to say how many times bigger shape B is than shape A. That's what my scale factor means. How many times bigger has it got? Easiest way to do it is to say, well, shape A is 1, 2, 3 squares wide. But shape B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squares wide. It's 3 times bigger. Let's check that the same thing's happened with the height as well. So shape A is 2 squares high, and shape B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares high. It's 3 times bigger again. So my scale factor of enlargement is going to be 3. That's got me my 2nd mark. And finally, the trickier part is the centre of enlargement. When I'm talking about a centre of enlargement, I'm talking about a coordinate, a point from which the shape has been enlarged. And the easiest way to get it is to draw yourself some lines. You've got to use a ruler for this. If you don't use a ruler, it's not going to be accurate enough. But it's to draw yourself some lines going from the corner of the bigger shape through the same corner of the smaller shape. So if I do it for this bottom left-hand corner, I go from the big shape through the little shape. And I'm going to do it again. Let's go for the top corner this time. From the top corner of the big shape, through the top corner of the smaller shape, and once more from the bottom right corner of the big shape, through the bottom right corner of the smaller shape. And that point there, where those 3 lines all meet, that point is my centre of enlargement. And all I need to do is write down the coordinate. So it's -6, -4 will be the coordinate of that point. So -6, -4 is my centre of enlargement. So 3 key bits of information. We need to say it's an enlargement. We need to say how many times bigger it's got using the words scale factor. And we need to say where the centre of enlargement is. What point do all those lines meet at to get our 3 marks in the exam? So now you've seen that, here's one for you to try. Press pause, give it a go, and when you're ready to see the answers, press play again. You can see if you've got it right.